All right, let's do this. Okay, so my goal of this quick lesson is to show you 3 panels set up. I've got a million videos showing this, but it's too deep and far to dig up. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go here and start like this, and basically we talked about whatever. Okay, it's okay. I'm not going to review the other stuff. So what I want to do is, this is my basically my neutral pose, and this is the first pose that I haven't done yet, the contrapposto pose. However, what I want to do is I want to have 3 panels, okay? The left or the right on top, both on top, and then the bottom is the graph editor, okay? So we're going to go to panels, layouts, 3 pane split top, okay, sweet. And then this worked for me, but if it didn't for you, that's okay. You just basically go like this, panel to graph editor, which is somewhere here. I'm going blind, Balian. Where is it? There, graph editor. And this will be just right now, it'll be just perspective. Okay, like this. Okay, and normally this would have NURB curves all on. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to come up here, create, I don't know if you guys can see this, create camera. Okay, and then camera. Now what I want to do in this view, my right, because I'm a lefty, so I'm looking at the left or whatever. Like, I'm going to come over here, panel, look through selected. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom out like this, and then bring it down, holding middle scroll option down like that. This is eventually going to be my cam shot. Okay, so I come in here, I go cam, and then shot. Okay, boom, right there. Second, I'll put my gates on. Okay, and it's 1920 1080 because I went over here and I did these things really quickly. I'm gonna go my poses, and I'll leave it at that. JPEG, I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna select the last one. I'm going a little fast, I apologize. This will eventually be longer. I'm just gonna put 100 frames for now. And then over here, I'm selecting HD 1080. However, it's not camera 1, it's cam shot, which is this one over there, okay? Roughly, this is the quickest way to set up your shots, okay? Second, what I don't want to see is the camera. Guys, I'm on. Show, I'm going to go to none. Show polygons, okay? And then and basically, what do I have? I have this on, smooth shade all. I have textured on. And I may just put this, there's no ground yet, I haven't done anything really, this is just right now. But the beauty of this is right now, if I turn this off, there's your silhouette shot. That's the shot you want, okay? So this is gonna be the video I'm gonna play afterwards. I'm gonna save all this. What I'll do is I'll just lock all this so I don't touch it again. Right click, lock selected somewhere here. Okay, so that's frozen, and then either I turn the light on or off, okay? On, off. There's no ground, I just started posing this, and you know what I mean? And eventually, like, you know, I'm gonna just delete the previous one here. I'm gonna go to, I'll go to my outliner, cam shot 1. I'm gonna delete that, see you later. This is my cam shot. So in this view, for example, I don't need to see it. I'll go none, I'll go show, NURB curves, and just polygons. That's all I need right now. I don't need to see anything else, okay? So I have my shelf selected, which was in that video that I showed you guys. We'll talk about what to do with this later, okay? I just want boom, boom, like that. Here, here, boom, boom. This will be, once I finish with my reference, I'll keep this for 8 frames. So basically, I'll just copy this over and off I go. But I'm not doing it in this mode. I'm gonna keep this in stepped, which I'll talk about that later, okay? So your goal is you don't even need this right now, so you just go like this. Is there for you, okay? Always look at your camera while you're doing this. Also, I said to you guys, game animators can't get away with just the look of the shot, where you have to look around in 360, make this work, okay? I just started posing this based on that video of me somewhere around here. Yeah, this one. Just follow this one, okay? Right here, it says posing your first 3D character. That's where you should be at this point. All right, I think that's it. Balian out.